Ebo Noah's ark no. Me what ticket ni be a marathon na NTA on it saying that.
Yes, my name is Ebo Noah. Please, I have not asked anybody to sell his or her property.
Ebo mahabo uzina ye. Ebo mahabo uzina 3. Ebo on under no condition. Era baka chame de and can't show be other on Tony property. Sabi, emba can chame de nsi yireba. Obaka tewiasu du na. Ye hu bi da ya ati bi da no na pendo. Na baka chame de and can't chame hen de ye resign. No one meje ye juma ne juma na meje no godo.
I have not asked anybody to resign from work.
All be lie.
I have not said that.
Noah, muka bibia de 25th December. Eko surbo for munsun oboto.
All be lie.
Noah, yen zaguro insun oboto. Yen so there go and intercede for us. Yaya azbonyefo. Nyankopon fonsum botwe na so a. Wo akeno so a building.
It be set up.
QR code ne eba scan ye de bokomu mpa ebo yebeye.
It be set up.
Ebo kwabina bo. Awudwene ababo nwa. According to information of Ednare Bangede. Oyankofo wa ahama wo twen mawula.
All be lie.
Kochoko bensuma. Wada akopo. Inebo ene na mu na etwa videos akache yende awa tondua da won fenye hemomo ebo hemanyim ko na bo
all be lie
we so ebo da ni heme enyima agbo moto dodo a wode bobodo ebo 25th December kroba ha onya bete nti ebo se enyim mansuma wo mansuta sunya mansuma nsuto because however you will flood Ghana,
set up.
Or they flood the Ghana. So we are seeing an opponent to flood Ghana's ever flood because every day our dreams are good. You see in videos where they pop up.
Yeah.
And a channel a content creator. And we are seeing we are for serious.
Yes, international media enough and serious.
Brother, able hype and hype and go over you. 25th December ni ya wa ha ya nyu woko ma ha na ya ma kofusu monitor ebo ntum ngwani nko bebia ebo
all be
accounting damadan ya locken you close ni mpo onye ye ebo 25th woba wu jesusen oba fede ko bi ebo Noah ba pama shayen anyway ya twa the last video in some records asa what the ask in the best ready.
This is Ebo Noah. As I'm talking to you now, I am at the location. I am still here at the location. You can see all this place is full of bush. So we are using a rig to clear all this place. We are using a rig to clear all this place. So that when you come, you will feel comfortable here. Yes, please, we are bringing all the 10 arks here. We are bringing all the 10 arks here where everybody will enter. Please, I am reminding you, it is a vision. When it happens, or if it happens, hallelujah. If it doesn't happen, hallelujah.
She Ebo,
be set up.
Mankasem Bincho. 1. Ebo to me fair adwin zagro. Yamana ankasan boats in wire will mean am puano. Now, how more they be catching in a day? Say, we are boats in area. What the boats in a book different location. Now, I call for boats in war. Now, damn boats, ever can what the Akateni, what the best to do, Zako location. A body I am bomb going on. Ebo, you pen Jimmy, yo.
All be lie.
No one is spoke something.
Ebo, Abaka the Massami in our channel. I catch and day. If it happens, hallelujah. If it doesn't happen, Ebo Modanyami, Ebo it go happen. Ebo Noah, it go happen waha. Ebo Mbazina Ebo hina you by Mbazino. Ebo, what's a touch not my anointed? This is here the anointed. Obiam from the sun count. Nebo 25th and soon on Toma flood number. A boy in Sabacount. A boy hands must touch you after 25th if there is no rain or flood. Ebo obey fell rough.
But also on board it too.
Dabio, Ebo.
On board this year 25th and
Ebo. Oh yeah, 2025 yeah. New phone code date to be Ebo Noah. Hey, Nebo Malamaya woman. Ebo. Ebo we am 25th and man Kasaka say.